are back out on the Z. We got Tyler on the other Z out there, and we got Noah over on his new Grom. Woo! He just picked that thing up. That thing looks nice. I think he said it's a 2020 with like 400 miles on it. I'm gonna try to ride it today because I've never ridden a Grom before. Woo! Damn, son. That thing definitely does burnouts better than the Z's. I'll tell you that right now because I've tried that on the Z and it's hard to get her slipping. I like his bar end mirrors for sure. I definitely want to get a set of those. But yeah, actually 2 nights ago, of course I wasn't recording, but I looped the Z. So, you know, when I say looped, I did a wheelie and then went too far back and whoop, dropped it. Got a little scraped up, scraped my arm right here. But that's really about it. Scraped my ass cheek a little bit. But as far as, you know, bones and everything, we're all good. I feel all good. Range of everything feels good. The only thing that got hurt on the bike actually was not even this front, not even the headlight. Headlight's perfectly fine. There's just a little red piece right here that snapped off. It's still intact, so I think I'm gonna try to epoxy the where it bolts up right there because it just snapped where it bolts up. But like as far as looks, it looks fine. So I'll try to have that back on, but I guess made out pretty well for looping the bike. Crashing it that hard, I definitely thought these stock handlebars would have bent, but they didn't. They're perfectly fine too, so we'll take it. We'll take it. Gonna make a little stop down by the lake here. And we have the lake.
Yeah, bro, they just, there's a guy, his name...
Woo! You got a Z125. It actually makes pretty good feet rest right here, you know? You trying to trade to the gas station?
Yeah, we can. Don't loop it.
Nah, I'm not gonna wheelie it. I'm not even gonna try.
Man, you don't want to sit on the back of his bike now. Can I look that bad?
What gear are we in? Is there a gear indicator? First time on a Grom. Woo! I could get down with this thing. I think this one still just has 4 gears. Look at that, there's a deer right there. He's got a big mouthful of something too. I like these bar end mirrors. They actually work really well. I'm definitely getting a set for my my Z. Yeah, this thing rides really smooth. He's got the same exhaust that I do, but it doesn't feel quite as raspy. I don't know. It's a good and a bad thing. It feels like closer to stock. I don't really know how to describe it. I think he said he had the baffle out of it as well too. It could just be that the baffle was in though. Yeah, I don't know. I can get down with this. It's not really much different, but power-wise, it feels the same. Kind of like I was expecting. But I just didn't know. I've heard all different types of stuff. Let's see if he can beat it 143. Oh, he ain't going. Oh, come on. I like it, bro. It's like more comfortable, I think.
I'm telling you, bro, you gotta get one.
And like when I'm moving on it too, I don't know, like I feel the engine on that one a lot more. Like that one's more comfortable.
That one's like that's like a grandma motor in that.
Yeah. Nah, but it still moves. That's a nice stand-up right there. There you go. That thing rips burnout. Woo! It just started drizzling. I just passed by here, but I think I saw a... Oh, dude, that thing's sick. That is a GTR. That thing's sick. That's a cool car. I don't know. He was like on the computer and then there was something going into it as exhaust. I don't know if he was like tuning it, but that was a legit one. Right hand drive. That was cool. I don't think I've seen really many of those in person. All right, well, that is gonna do it for this video, everybody. Had a real good ride. The bigger the squad it is with these little mini moto bikes, the more fun it is. So had a blast out here. We were three bikes deep. But be sure to subscribe, everybody, and leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.